Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of marketing. Myself, CSK Khanna from Vesti Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. I hope and wish that you all are good in health and enjoying the luxuries of your life. So let's start our today's topic, that is the fundamentals of marketing mix. Dear students, under the marketing, in the previous step, we had learned what marketing segmentation is, what target marketing is, and what positioning is, that how the marketers or the sellers, they target a particular market and position their product services towards that market. The next unit, which is associated again with the marketing, that is, as the title here say, fundamentals of marketing mix. So in this lesson, we will have learning relating to various aspects of marketing mix, like what the introduction and characteristics of marketing mix is, that what are meaning of the concept of marketing, and then we will learn what are the important characteristics of the marketing, then what are the features of marketing mix, then how a company, how an organization, how a marketer develop marketing mix strategy, and then finally what the importance of marketing mix. So we will start with the introduction and characteristics of marketing mix. Dear students, you all know that whenever we start the learning of any concept, we start with its working definition. And definition here means that not only the meaning of that concept, but also various other aspects which are relating to that particular concept. For example, the characteristics, the features, the advantages, the benefits, the limitations, the disadvantages, demerits, scope, and applicability of that particular aspect. So let's start with the meaning of the concept of marketing mix here, because it is very important that we understand the meaning of the concept, and then we will switch over to the other meaning aspect of this. So what the meaning of marketing mix is? Dear students, we all know what the objective of marketing is: to have the customer satisfaction. What we have to do as a marketer, we have to provide the maximum customer satisfaction. Rest all things will automatically flow to this. So marketing has the basic objective of customer satisfaction. So all the activities, all the strategies, they must be targeted towards the customer satisfaction. So let's understand what we mean by the concept of marketing mix. Here please understand, marketing mix basically associated with all the activities which are undertaken practically by the marketers in order to provide the customer satisfaction and indirectly gets the increase in the sales of their goods or services. So under this unit, we will understand the meaning, characteristics and features, then the stages in developing marketing mix, what is the important significance of marketing mix, and then also the very important keywords here means the important words which are used with reference to this important unit of fundamentals of marketing mix. So dear students, let's start the meaning of marketing mix. Marketing is the process of identifying, anticipating and satisfying customers' requirements with the purpose of making profits. Dear students, you understand what the market process is? Identifying, anticipating means forecasting, projecting and satisfying customers' requirement, and ultimate aim is that is to make the profits. So this process involves various activities because marketing is a system and system comprise various parts and subparts. Like this, the marketing mix also involves various activities which are undertaken with reference to customer satisfaction. So what they are? This process involves the marketing managers and representative take various marketing decisions to make the operations profitable. Unless and until the marketers they does not do the sincere efforts through various ways, they could not get the marketing as a profitable activities. So for this what they are needed? They are required to identify suitable combination of marketing policies and procedures so as to adopt and bring about desired behavior of trade and consumers at minimum cost. So they have to take various decisions, they have to frame various policies, and practically they have to implement them in order to get the maximum profits at minimum cost. See, this is the basic objective of marketers. They have to decide what? How elements of marketing, advertising, personal selling, pricing, packaging, channels, warehousing, product design, product range, product packaging, so many elements or variables they have to decide in order to get the appropriate or optimum marketing mix. Then more specifically, they have to decide a marketing mix, a combination, a decision-making method in relation with the product, price, promotion and distribution. Apart from these four important elements, there are some other important elements which are included under the concept of marketing mix. So now understand practically that what marketing mix is. Marketing mix was introduced by the Neil H. Borden in his article. That is the concept. We say what? That what marketing mix is. Marketing mix is defined by various authors, various experts. But let's understand some of the good definition given in your syllabus of the marketing mix. Neil H. Borden say the concept of marketing mix. In this study, he described the business executive as a decider, an artist, a mixer of ingredients who sometimes follow a recipe prepared by others or prepares his own recipe or adapts a recipe to the ingredients immediately available and sometimes experiments with or invents ingredients no one else has tried. This is a good definition, but you may have the difficulty to understand this. So let's understand some easy definitions so that the concept of marketing mix very clear to you. According to Philip Kotler, who is known as the father of modern marketing, marketing mix is the combination of four elements called the 4 P's: product, price, promotion and place, that every company has the option of adding, subtracting or modifying in order to create a desired marketing strategy. Dear students, understand, in order to achieve the goal of optimum profit, indirectly maximum profit, it is very important that there must be the very effective marketing strategy. And marketing mix is what? According to Philip Kotler, it is a combination of four elements. As earlier I also shared with you that more number of elements has been researched and been included under marketing mix. But here you understand, marketing mix as per Philip Kotler is a combination of four elements. What he states, those elements are product, price, promotion and place, that a company continues to make the changes in them in order to desire a very effective marketing strategy for the purpose of getting the optimum returns or profits. Another good definition, simple definition is given by Kotler and Armstrong. They states, marketing mix is the set of technical marketing tools that the firm blends to produce the response it wants in the target market. According to Kotler and Armstrong, marketing mix is what? It is a set of tactical marketing tools. Tactical marketing tools here means those tools which are very effective, which are having a very good technique in order to get what? That is, in order to get the good response in the target market. And firm continues to blends. Continue to blends here means firm continue to change them according to its requirement. So, according to Kotler and Armstrong, again marketing mix is a set of tactical marketing tools that a firm blends to produce the response it wants in the target market. Another good definition is given by W.J. Stanton. He states, marketing mix is the term used to describe the combination of the four inputs like the Philip Kotler had stated, which constitute the core of the company's marketing system, that is, the product, the price structure, the promotional activities, and the distribution system. So, dear students, I hope you understood that marketing mix is not any independent element, it is a mix or combination of various important tools, including product, price structure, promotional activity, distribution system, people, persistence, and some other P's also, which helps a firm, which helps a marketer to establish and effectively implement its marketing strategy. Dear students, I would continue in my next video relating to the next step, that is the characteristics of marketing mix.